Good morning, students. Once again, I am here with you, and you will see your book in which chapter 1, that is importance of eating fresh and clean food, is the topic of chapter 1, that is my body. So in my body, I will explain you the topic, that is importance of eating fresh and clean food. Okay, and I will give you questions also, which you will see in this video, and you will do the homework. Okay, so now come to the topic. See this, importance of eating fresh clean food. As you know that cooking makes food soft, tasty and digestive. Okay, everyone knows now. That's why your mama is making food for you now, so that you can get healthy and tasty food. So what happens when the food is cooked? Then it becomes soft, tasty and easily digestible, and it kills germs which is present in the food items. Okay, one more thing, that is, see, now see this, this is your stomach. Okay, so when you will eat unclean food and spoiled food item, then you will get infected. So see, this germs in your stomach is very happy. Oh, he or she has eaten me. Okay, now I will play with their stomach. See how happy this is now. Okay, now so then wow, how will you kill these germs? To kill these germs, you should eat fresh and clean food. Okay, so what happened when we will eat unwashed fruit and vegetable? They can carry germs of diseases which can cause what? Diarrhea, vomiting, stomach ailment. Okay, that means we will suffer from stomach ache. Okay, and unwashed fruits and vegetable can also carry eggs of worm. Is it clear to all of you or not? See this diagram. See this diagram. See, this is the fruits here, and housefly is sitting. See in the photo, housefly is there on the cut fruits. Okay, see, so what will happen? This is with the unwashed fruit also and vegetables also. These eggs are too small to seen by the naked eye. Okay, you can't see the eggs of the germs are present, worms are present on the unwashed fruit and vegetable. And when these eggs reach the stomach of a human being, they hatch there and produce worm. And these worms live in stomach and intestine and consume the food that is meant for the human body. Okay, the food which you eat, that food will be eaten by the worms. Okay, so you should wash the fruits and vegetable. And the persons who are having the worms, they generally look weak, pale and unhealthy. Okay, yes, now come to the peeled and cut fruits and vegetable which are exposed to the flies, and dust can transfer the germs into the body and thus cause many diseases such as jaundice, cholera, etc. Okay, so you should, when you will peel the vegetable or fruits or cut the vegetable and fruits, then don't expose them. Okay, because when you expose them, the fly and dust can transfer germs into the body. Okay, see this, germs are there. Is it clear? Okay. Now, don't eat peeled and cut fruit which are exposed to the flies and dust. Okay. Now, cooked food when left uncovered or unrefrigerated for long can also cause food poisoning. This happens because germs can get plenty of time to grow and multiply in the food, and germs produce harmful substance which can cause vomiting and diarrhea. Okay, so in the summer you see that when mama keep the food outside the refrigerator, then food get spoiled after 5 to 6 hours. Okay, and then mama will say that, oh beta, this is not good for your health, so don't eat. That means this happens with the cooked food because that was refrigerated for a long time, and when we will eat that type of food, then we can suffer from food poisoning. So we should not eat uncovered and unrefrigerated food items. Now it is very important. See, do you know it is very important that a person suffering from diarrhea and vomiting should be given plenty of boiled water containing a small amount of sugar and salt. Everyone knows that when a person is suffering, he or she when you will suffer from the diarrhea, then what your mama will give you? You will what? Okay, I am telling you, mama will give you a pinch of salt and sugar solution, so that no loss of water is there from your body. Okay, so this is about the dysentery or diarrhea. So when anyone will suffer from the dysentery or diarrhea, he or she should be given plenty of boiled water containing a small amount of sugar and salt. So this is all about, and keywords I have already explained you yesterday. See, these are the keywords, and I hope you all have written this. And today I will give you the question answer, that is A and B. Okay, the question answer A and B. See this. This is the question. Number 1, the body organs that cannot be seen from outside are called dash organs. You have to fill it, you have to do it. I will not send separately. You will see the video, then you can do. Okay. Now flat teeth are in the dash of the mouth. Tongue is used for dash and dash, and saliva is secreted by dash. Flies can transfer dash to uncovered food. Okay. So these are the questions you have to do. And number B is the match the following. Milk teeth in column A, milk teeth, large intestine, permanent teeth, rectum and small intestine are there. In the column B, absorption of water, absorption of digested food and digested waste is collected. 30 to 20. These are the words in the column 2. So you have to match A and B. Okay, you will write it correctly. So you will do everything nicely. Okay, so that's all about today. Thank you.